Hello, in front of me I've got SsangYong Rexton. In this video I'll show you how to measure engine oil level. To measure engine oil level, make sure that your car is parked stationary on flat surface for at least 15 minutes. This will allow engine oil to flow down to reservoir. Then take a look at the front of the engine. Remove the dipstick and then clean it. Place it back. Remove it and check the amount right here. It should be at the top of those two markings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.